Going back, the scene now shifts to Hastinapura. Hastinapura, so many people come rushing to meet this guy, Duryodhana. Who are these guys? And when they are rushing to meet with him, there is one explanation that says they were rubbing against each other, and their diamond haras and pearl bangles and all those things, they fall on the ground because they are rushing towards it. So people who are servants, if they are so rich, then imagine the wealth of Duryodhana, right? So this is just to put the perspective of how wealthy and how rich the country was at that point of time. Anyway, so these people are rushing to meet with him. Why? Why are they rushing to meet with him?
Because they have a doubt.
Right. So they meet with Duryodhana, and they tell him, Raja, we have been searching for Pandavas. We have searched mountains, we have searched valleys, we have searched places where there were so many bushes. There is not a single tree that we left in so many areas. We thought they probably are hiding in those branches. We searched there. We searched in the deserts. We searched in the jungles. We searched everywhere, but we could not find. At the beginning of their Agnatavasa, we saw Dharmaraja's chariot going towards Dwaraka. So, and Dwaraka is ruled by Sri Krishna, right? And everybody knows that Krishna is good friends with Pandavas. So some people thought that they might be getting shelter at Sri Krishna's place, and we have searched every inch of Krishna's kingdom. We could not find them, but we came here to deliver you some interesting and good news. That is, recently there is this Simhabala who was killed, and apparently the news says that there is one lady and her 5 husbands who are Gandharvas killed Simhabala. So with that said, we think it is none other than Pandavas. That news is delivered to Duryodhana. Duryodhana is very, very happy. Duryodhana now calls upon his consorts, Bhishma, Drona, Vidura, and his usual friends, Sekuni and all of those guys. They call and they have a discussion. So when they are discussing, the thing that they say is there are only 4 people in the world who could kill each other. People who could kill Simhabala is Bhimasena, Jarasandha, and Selya. Selya is maternal uncle of Madri's brother, and maternal uncle of Nakula and Sahadeva. So these are the only 3 people who could kill Simhabala. Jarasandha is dead. Shelya we know that he is in the kingdom of Madra. He did not go anywhere. He has been there for the last decade. He did not go anywhere. So the only person is Bhimasena. Chances are very high that Pandavas are hiding in Matsya Desa. With that doubt, they come up with a plan. So doubt itself is not sufficient to say that they are Pandavas and they won't go to Aranyavasa again, right? So now the plan is to bring them out of the kingdom and identify them as Pandavas and then send them back to Aranyavasa. So for that, what Duryodhana plans is that let us go. So Matsya Desa has a kingdom in the southern direction of Matsya Desa, and king of that kingdom is Susharma. And Susharma has been waiting for an opportunity to occupy Matsya Desa. He has never gotten an opportunity because Kichaka was always there. So, and Susharma is a friend of Duryodhana. Yes, what?
No, I remembered something.
You remember this name from Kurukshetra. Susharma is not killed now. Susharma is actually killed in Kurukshetra war. Yeah, that's correct. So then Susharma, he asked Susharma to go and attack Matsya Desa from the southern direction. Don't do anything crazy. Just take away their, what is it? Any guess?
Their wealth? Their identity? Their wife?
No, their cows. Yeah. Because the foremost duty of a Kshatriya is to protect cows and Brahmins. So take away the cows. If really Pandavas are there in the kingdom, they will come out and they will fight it out. Yes. Take that.
Duryodhana and the other ones Kshatriyas too.
Can you?
Aren't Duryodhana and the
They are Kshatriyas, but did you ever see them follow their duties and roles and responsibilities? No, right? So this is not a news. So, and anyways, they don't wish to harm. If the plan was to harm cows, Bhishma would never have agreed. But the idea is not to harm the cows. Idea is to bring them out into the light, identify them as Pandavas and send them back to Aranyavasa. So now this guy, he attacks from the southern direction. When he attacks, Virata Raja immediately calls for his army, and he plans to go and wage a war with Susharma in the southern direction. The entire army is taken. So then Dharmaraja says, it is very, very inappropriate for us to leave Virata Raja in this kind of a situation. So let all four of us, they cannot take Arjuna because Arjuna is in the form of a female. So they cannot take Arjuna to the war. But all four of them decide to go accompany Virata Raja and help him in the war. So yes, we are going over time, okay?
For the what was the name of the exile thing again? What was the name of the exile again?
Agnyatavasa.
Oh, yeah,
Agnyata means hiding.
Okay, so in Agnyatavasa, even if one of them gets found, do they have to restart?
Yes. Even if one of them gets found, everybody has to go. Okay. Now, so Dharmaraja calls all three of his brothers, and he warns them, don't fight to the full of your capacity. Just make sure that king is safe and cows are taken back. Don't you got a chance and don't chin dorikindi kada chance అని చెప్పి విరుచుకొని పడకండి. And if you do that, the entire plan will go for a toss. So make sure that king is protected. Make sure that there is no loss of the cows, and do a moderate war. Don't go into your elements. Don't go into your elements. That's the warning he gives, and he takes four of them, and they keep the war happens, and nobody is really showing off their skills. They are just containing the situation, and there comes a point where Susharma actually is winning, and he captures Virata Raja. At that moment, all four of them they protect the king, and they get the cows back, and they return. And Dharmaraja plays a very major role in this particular in orchestrating the war, because he has to win. At the same time, he should not show off everybody's skills. So Virata Raja is very thankful for Dharmaraja, and Virata Raja says, once we go back to the kingdom, I will make you the king. You will be the king. Dharmaraja doesn't, of course, agree, because he protected the entire kingdom now, right? He protected the life of Virata Raja. That is why he offers the kingdom to Dharmaraja, but Dharmaraja says, no, I'm not going to take it. Anyways,